Being able to track actual space utilisation can have massive benefits for organisations looking to maximise the utilisation of their estate. Tracking actual space utilisation allows organisations to make informed decisions about the property portfolio and working practices, rather than automatically expanding the estate due to a perceived lack of space. Many organisations imagine that their utilisation rate is in the region of 100% for administration staff and 70% for more mobile staff. In fact, research has shown it is more typically 60% or less in both cases. Traditional methods of capturing utilisation data are expensive and prone to errors. Excitech FM partner with providers of intelligent building solutions, in this example Desk Query from XLIT, who interrogate desk computers or use sensors to obtain real-time desk utilisation data. Excitech FM's powerful reporting and overlay tools allow this data to be analysed and acted upon. Excitech FM can also help in the implementation of new working practices. In addition to the standard space management information layers, it is also capable of displaying and managing hot desks, shared desks, where the occupancy needs to be allocated across multiple departments, and team groups. The solution can also be used to track the ratio of staff to desks in team groups and any vacant clusters within the floor plan. Dashboards and reports can be used to highlight the occupancy levels and ratio of staff to desks at a strategic level on a per area, floor, building or estate basis.